Hello guys, you're gonna see problem 71 and right first he says let's go to this website. So we're already in this website and what we can see first, it's like a triangle with point PF and sorry. And first, what type by dragging N on line AB, the website will trace the path of point B. So what type of curve is graph when you do this? So by dragging point N, you're going to drag point N, and we will see it's making, zoom out a little more, I'm dragging point N, and it appears that it's making a parabola, right? Our second question is, the blue dotted line is the perpendicular bisector of segment Fn. So blue dotted line, perpendicular bisector Fn. But explain what tells you about FP and Fn. FP and Fn. Alright, so we can know F to this point is the same distance as of this and this. So, and from FP, this is a 90-degree angle because the perpendicular bisector, its definition is a 90-degree line that goes through the middle of the point. And what can it tell us? Just the perpendicular bisector, the line that crosses through the middle and gives us two equal triangles right here. And if we like shorten this up, it's still giving us two equal triangles, 90 degrees. And then when it's two, then it's just a line. And then two equal triangles, two equal triangles, two equal triangles all the way through. And yeah. And the third question is asking us is telling us that F is movable. This F is movable. And so is point A and B. So try field turning with position for one or more of these points and repeat the dragging of point to observe different curves being traced. Sketch 2 of this in your notebook. So we're not going to sketch it in our notebook because we have it here and you can see it. But like, for example, let's move first point F to the other side. Let's refresh that. Move point B over here, maybe. Point A right there. And let's see what happens. We move point N. Still a parabola, different, like it's tilting a little to the left, if you can see. Let's do it again. You can, little tilt to the left, you can see right there. But still the same concept. Let's try a different one. Let's put A over here. B over here. Oh, sorry. And then let's put point F over here, but larger here. Let's refresh that. Let's take point N, drag it. It's creating the same parabola, a little tilt to the right. But as you can see, we still have the same concept every time. You want to watch it bigger. What if we put the same points at the same? Let's put F with B and with A. Wait. Let's do that, for example. And we drag point. Oh, I can't see. Oh. Wait. Yeah, sorry. Like still making like a really small parabola. As you can see, we zoom in more. Let's zoom in more. Still like parabola shape. So yeah, screen that. I'm gonna sketch this in my notebook. Different pathways, but yeah, that's problem 71. And thanks